Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a full backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so your PC can talk to the phone. Make sure you have ADB and Fastboot installed on the computer, and download the exact factory image or OTA that matches your model. You need these files and tools now because the next steps require a direct connection and authorized commands. Skipping this risks data loss and bricked firmware. You now proceed to remove the update using the proper flashing or sideload method. First, boot to the bootloader or recovery. This is usually power plus volume. If required, unlock the bootloader with Fastboot OEM unlock or Fastboot flashing unlock. Understand this wipes device data. Use a DB sideload update. Zip when recovery supports it or run Fastboot flash boot. IMG Fastboot flash system. IMG and Fastboot flash vendor. IMG for full rollback. These steps replace updated partitions with stock ones. You finish by wiping cache and data if the flashing process requires it, then reboot to confirm that the build number reverted. Make sure to disable system auto updates in settings and delete any pending update packages so the device does not reapply the OTA. If the device boots fine, consider relocking the bootloader only after a successful verification. Troubleshooting tip. If you encounter a boot loop, stop, reflash the official stock firmware, or restore your backup image rather than repeating partial steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.